guys, my name is Vincent Davy and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, it's so much pleasure and joy to be on your faces today again. And so today I've got a lot of amazing things for you today. And today we're going to be dealing with how to build a sales page in 2022. Just the right things you need, the exact things you need, straight to the point, clear-cut things you need, and how to build a converting sales page. Now, you've heard someone say that I built this sales page and this sales page converted and they did over $1 million, I did $3 million, I did $10 million. So I'm going to show you the elements of those sales page, like the right things that should be in your sales page, things that you should put and things that you should not put, things that you should put together that makes for a sales page to convert. Are you ready for this class? It's going to be so explosive, it's going to be so good, and I would like you to stay to the end of this video. If you stay to the end of this video, I'm going to show you something that would take your income to 10x. Just a little tweak. Like, you should know, you actually manifest what you know. What you do not know, you would not manifest it. Like, you won't actually leave out something that you have no knowledge of, or you have low or no knowledge of. So, having said that, let's go straight into our video. So, I'll be looking at my slides on this video, and I'll be paying attention to the whole stuff we're going to be dealing with in this video. Okay, so if you watch this video to the end, you will learn how to build a sales page in 2022 that can generate at least 800k to 1.5 million naira in 3 months in 2022. I'm serious. I know what I'm saying. I've just shown it over and over again. I have proven it over and over again. It's worked over and over again, and it should work for you. Alright, slight reminder that if you've not subscribed to this channel, please, you should subscribe. So what is a sales page? A sales page is an explanatory one page or more. It's supposed to be more. Sometimes it's not one page. It can be 2 pages, can be 3 pages that are interconnected. An explanatory page, one page site that does the work of convincing prospects and turning them to buyers. Yes, physically, what a sales page does, a sales page is what I call your virtual salesman. Like, the same way you would meet someone in the road and you're convincing him to buy this Samsung TV remote. Now, what a sales page does is a sales page does that conviction. Like, you're talking to somebody to buy this thing from you, but you are not there with them physically. So the sales page is doing the work of a salesman for you. So that you tell someone, come and buy. This is what you tell the person, you should buy. Come and buy. Do you understand? So the sales page does the work of a mobile salesperson, a mobile salesman. That is what the sales page does. The work of what? A mobile salesman. You get that right? Yes. Okay, so let's go. Majorly, a sales page does the work of conviction. Yes. That's what the sales page does. The work of conviction. That ability to convince people, to tell them that this is what you should buy and this is why you should buy it. But that's what the sales page does. So, elements of a convincing sales page. There are lots of elements. So we're going to take them one after the other. Alright, there are 8 elements I listed here. And these 8 elements are the format I use in working on my own sales page. That I use them in building my own sales page. There's a template that my staff in my business use in building my own sales page. I call them my team members. I don't like calling them staffs. So my team members use in building their own sales page. Right? So these same elements, they put it into their business and they use it to build their own sales page. And the same thing with me. Okay? So and it always works for us, it always converts for us. Alright, so the first one is a headline. Alright, so we'll take it one of a headline. So what is a headline? Please pay attention. You may want to get a pen and paper, right? So a headline is the attention grabber of your sales page. It is what determines if your audience will stay through to buy your offers. Yes. Now, when you meet someone, you know that when you go to the market and someone approaches you, you should know that what convinces you or what makes for you to buy what that person is selling is the first thing the person says to you. Okay? So the person can, if it's a girl, those days in the market, all this market, main market, or markets in Onitsha, the part where I grew up, the guy will want to say something like my color or anti-ocha, all those kind of things, because there's a call out. So it may irritate you, but to some people it makes them stop. So the headline is the attention grabber. And if you understand, I've said it before on this channel, that on the internet, attention is currency. Attention is currency. Do you understand? Like, attention is what we are all looking for. All the brand adverts on your face, all the publicity stunts, all the PR, all the banners, the funny billboards, the placards, they are all looking for something, attention. And the person with the most attention gets the more money. That's why large followership equates big money. Not all the time like that, but it works, because if you have followership, it means you have attention. When brands wants to sign people up for ambassadorial deals, they go for those with what? Large followership. Why? Because it is deemed that these people have what? Attention on them. Like the spotlight is on them. Okay, so the spotlight is on them, so they actually are looking for what? Attention. So headline is the attention grabber. It's what makes people to stop and read your sales page. Okay, so it's also what determines if they will stay. If your headline is weak, they will leave your sales page and continue with their online activities. Remember, people do not ask you to send your advert their way. They don't solicit for it. You are the one that brings it to their face. And when you bring it to their face, it's for them to buy or what? Or not buy. Okay, so you must grab their attention. Okay, let me give you types of attention, types of headline. We have the celebrity headline. We have the what's it called? The fame or the viral headline. Then we have the pity headline. Okay, let me give you an example of the color headline. The color headline is, "Hey, you 1 minute man." You're saying immense health product. So you can say, "Hey, you 1 minute man." That's a call out headline. You've called them out. Okay. So the celebrity headline can be, "This is what white money uses to get a clear skin." Yeah, using what, you know, white money. White money is one of Big Brother. That is a celebrity. That's a celebrity headline. So the viral headline, you could say something like, "This is what blew the Zazu song." You know Zazu. Zazu is a viral song in Nigeria right now that one of the top 4 biggest artists gave him a verse and the guy blew up. So Zazu is something viral in my country where I live, Nigeria. So you are infusing you are infusing something viral into your headline. Okay, this is what the Zazu song used to blow. Okay, now if come to the pity headline, you could say something like, "Enough of embarrassment from your wife. This is the solution to not lasting long in bed." So you are infusing pity emotions into your word headline. Okay, so let's go. The second one is a hook. Now, just below the headline is what we call a hook. A hook is, like the name implies, it's a hook. Alright, it's a hook. It's what makes them stay. In this video, when I said this video, I made it a hook. I told you if you stay long in this video, I'm going to show you something at the end of this video. That was what? A hook. I wanted you to what? Stay. So the next one is a hook. If you read through this sales page, I'm going to show you a lasting cure that will solve or that will clear ulcer from its root in 5 short weeks. If you read through this sales page, I will show you a kitchen product that can take care of all your defrosting of meat without you trying to break the bank. That's a hook. If you stay through this page, I will show you a mechanical wristwatch that is waterproof, fireproof, and tells the time of 8 different countries. That's the hook. So the hook is what makes them stay. So you're seeing the progression. The headline is what white money uses to get a clear skin. If you stay through this sales page, I will show you how to get a clear skin and a skin as soft as that of a baby in 17 short days. That is what? A hook. You've seen the progression now. So you see what I'm saying, that is making sense to you. While you are writing sales copy or a sales page, what you do is you put yourself in the shoes of the reader. If what you are reading is not making sense to you, it will make sense to another person, logically. The third point is what we call a desire spiker, or what we call desire machine. Okay, so a desire spiker is called the get or die feeling. Yes, it's the get or die feeling. It's that feeling that makes you like, if I don't get this now, I will die. I can die tomorrow if I don't get this thing. Okay, so it's called a desire spiker, a desire machine. It's the get or lose out feeling. It's the feeling that makes them desire products. So there are emotional and psychological elements you need to infuse in your page to make them buy what you're selling. So a desire machine is what makes them desire your product. Now you are not building the page, you are infusing desire. Have you heard a salesman say that they can sell air conditions to an Eskimo? Eskimos are people that live in very cold and humid parts of the world, of the earth, right? So what can make that kind of person buy an AC? He doesn't need it, but the desire of it can be infused into him, and he wants to buy it. You get that? The type of buy emotions to infuse when building your sales page or when creating desire, the fear emotion. Are you scared of losing your leg to arthritis? Like you're scared of your leg being chopped off. That's the fear emotion. The sad emotion. That sharp pain you feel on your waist during menstrual cramps. That's a sad emotion. The pain emotion, the sickness, and the pain emotion, the pain feeling, or the pain emotion. Then the convenience and comfort emotion. With this device, you could hang your phone on your car, turn it 360, 180 without having to touch it. Right? If you read your mouse, play your music, it has automatic Bluetooth. You're seeing that now. That connects to, that's a hotspot, that connects to your car stereo. That's comfort and confidence. So what I mean, I'm driving, I don't have that car hanger, so I have to use my phone to check through the map if I don't know where I'm going to. Okay, so that's the convenience and comfort feeling. Right, the fourth one is what? Product benefits. That's the fourth one. Now you see, desires are set, you've shown them why they need to get the product. So the fourth one is what? Product benefit. You have to start telling them the benefit of the product. Now, benefits sell over features. Instead of saying this phone has SIM card, you can say this phone has a SIM card that doesn't require removing the battery to insert. So this phone has space for SIM card is feature. This phone has SIM card that doesn't require removing the battery to insert is benefit. The phone that has a space for SIM card is the same phone. I'm talking about the same phone, but tying emotions to features turns features to benefit. When you tie emotions to the features of a product, it automatically turns them to benefit. This laptop can open 3 tabs at a time. That's feature. This laptop can open 3 times and shut down for 2 years. That's benefit. My MacBook got shut down for the first time in 2 years last week. Yes, like it turned off because I know that's not good, right? But it doesn't do heavy work. So that's it. So yes, it doesn't do heavy work. So that is what benefits. You get that? So when you bring your product and put in product benefits into it. That's the fourth one to bring the sales page. Then testimonials. Get testimonials for your product and infuse your sales page. A product that works sells itself. Let me tell you something. Testimonials sell faster than written copy. Why? Because results sells faster. Results convert better. So get testimonial of your product. If you're selling the product and you put it from Alibaba or China, get the testimonial from AliExpress. If the product was given to you, shoot testimonials. So, and you can always use video testimonials. Please don't use audio testimonials. You always use video testimonials, WhatsApp testimonials, Facebook testimonials. Let their name be shown you. So let their number be shown you. Right? Or you can blow a part of it. So you choose testimonials. Okay. The sixth one is an offer. I want to explain something to you. Great offers make great sales. When trying to convince your customers, make them feel like they are stealing from you or cheating you. Give them an irresistible offer they cannot reject. I'll explain the last time. So, people sell but better than you because they make better offers. Offers can resurrect a dead product back to life. When you put quality offers, even product that seems to be dead will come back to life. People want to buy something of 1,000 naira for the price of 5 naira. Happily. But you and me and God, we know that thing we're selling is less than 5 naira. But they feel that they're cheating you. So make people offers. Learn it. There's the act of, I should do a video on the act of making offers, or how to make irresistible offers in 2022. Act of making offers, you should learn it. Offers will always kill your copies, your sales pages. Give people a lot of incentive and bonuses. Pack it and give to them. They won't resist it. They cannot. So, including me, I cannot resist offers. Went outside to eat one time and they said, this is a seafood platter and the other one is a seafood. It comes with crabs, shrimps, different kind of fishes, and just like that with a whole lot of sauce and side pieces. And they said this one comes with yam fries, rice, basmati jollof rice, basmati fried rice, chicken wings, snail, seafood, shrimp. Are you seeing that offer? It's the same thing, just that they added rice. And look, they added rice and chicken wings. Now, this one, the added rice and chicken wings, was greater with the other one by the price of 2,000 naira. I will bought that. Why? Because people cannot reject offers. So quality offers make for quality sales. How to make offers, add the free gifts or add the bonus or add it as a combo and sell to them, or tell them this is what you're buying and you get the bonus. So learn to make what? Great offers. Number 7, product pricing. Now, everyone likes to bargain. If you go to the market, if 10 person go to the market and they tell 10 person that this thing is 100 naira, 8 out of 10 will price for 18 naira and 17 naira. Why? People like to bargain. So on your sales page, you should have 2 prices. One should be striked out and the other one should be the actual price. You see that on your sales pages, on pages on Jumia, Konga, or Gigi, when you go to buy all these e-commerce stores or online sales stores. So make people offers. Remember I told you that your sales page is like you physically convincing someone to buy. So imagine you're convincing someone to buy. Of course, if you tell them price, they would like to bargain. So let's look as if they are bargaining. This is 100 naira. This is 80,000 naira. You cancel that and say 40,000 naira if you're buying today at this moment price. Alright. Closing. Close your sales letter. Remind them what they need. Remind them of why they need to buy. Yeah, you should remind them of why they need to buy. Make them feel that they are missing out. And when they feel they are missing out, they will always buy. Alright. So okay, alright, so this is it. And I want to remind you also that majorly a sales page does the work of conversion. Don't always forget that. Alright guys, so I will go over this again. So first one is a headline, second one is a hook. Settle down with this video and you will learn a lot of things. Third one is a desire spiker with design machine. Fourth one is product benefit not features. Fifth one is testimonial. 6 is an offer. 7 is product pricing. 8 is closing. Thank you for watching this video. And if you've not signed up for Names School, I don't know when you're going to see this video or when it's going to be out on YouTube, but anytime you're seeing it, go to www.nimschool.school. Nims.school. If you go there, you should hit the buy button and get entry into Names School. If you do that, I'm going to see you in Names School. And I hope you really sign up for Names School, because that will be where I'll be doing a whole lot of work this year. Subscribe to this YouTube channel, share this video to someone, let them know that this is how to do sales with this. Drop comments for me, I will answer them. Of course, I'll always answer them. And if you need to reach me on my social media handles, please follow me on Instagram, follow me on Facebook, follow me on Twitter. Instagram is Vincent David Official, Twitter is Vincent David, Facebook is Vincent David. Yeah, you can send me friend requests, just follow me on all of them. And I'll see you on the other side. Thank you for watching. Thank you for staying through. Go and start building quality sales pages today. Thank you.